Guys, it's October 11, 2021. This is I got a call from a bakery that I work at once in a while, and he's got this proof box, big proof box upstairs. That there's a steam boiler down in the basement, just feeds this one little proof box. But I guess he says the pilot's not coming on, so it's a newer boiler. And I don't know, I'll go over there and see what's going on. Maybe the feed is stuck or something. I think it's got electronic spark on it. It says the pilot's not coming on, so anyway, we're gonna go over there and see if we can get it working for the guy. Never a dull moment, mama. Today's Columbus Day, but I'm working. I got a bunch of jobs to do, so I'm out and about doing my thing. We'll try to get you some shots, figure out what's going on over there with it. There's water in it. Damper's open. See if there's anything coming into this. Should have power coming into violet and then going out the burner. We'll see if we got any power there. We got power going to the burner, it shows. Nothing here. That orange, I think it goes up to the damper control. Get the water level below the element. Get it apart, hopefully. It wants to come out. I did drain some water out of it. Feeder's working, so that we know the probe's working. Make sure it's nice and tight there. I tried to get that thing out of there, it ain't coming out. Alright, so I don't think it's nothing to do with the lower the cutoff. We do have 24 volts here. It might have something to do with this damper control. Reset up there, let's see if it's tripped. That was it, it was tripped. From a downdraft. Just got a little downdraft probably. Amp was open. Alright, it's back up and running. The door was partially open, that wasn't good. Alright, tripped off on downdraft from windy day.